Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center. In this video, we will learn that how we can update or upgrade our Windows 10 to Windows 11 onto the unsupported hardware or PC. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to go onto the Chrome browser and then you have to type Windows 11 download. You will have a first link. You have to click on that and then you have to scroll down it and then you have to select Windows 11 ISO, then confirm it. Then you have to select your language, but before selecting language you have to confirm your system language first. So you have to type cmd and run as administrator. Then you have to type the command TISM online get dash. So your system language is English United States. So we have to select our required language. Once we select that, then we have to confirm it. Once we confirm it, then we have to click onto the 64-bit download. ISO will be downloaded instantly. You can see that downloading has been started. So I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time, so I'm going to cancel it. So my Windows 11 ISO is available inside the download folder. So first of all, I have to copy it and then I have to put inside the C drive. We have to create a folder here. Let's create a folder like Win, and inside the Win folder you have to paste the Windows 11 25H2 ISO. So once it is pasted, then I will be back. So it has been pasted and copied. So now you have to right click on it and extract here. You have to extract the ISO. So once it is done, I will back. So it has been extracted and now we have to open PowerShell and run as administrator. Right click on it, run as administrator, and then you have to go inside the C drive. Right now you are in the system 32, so you have to type cd double dot, then cd double dot space double dot. Now you are inside the C drive, then you have to type dir. You will have all the directories, list of all the directories. Then you have to type cd win dir, and you can see that now right now you are in the Win folder and you have all the files of ISO. Now you have to type dot forward slash setup space forward slash product server. Once you type the command, setup will be started. Now setup has been started in front of you. So we will downloading all the updates during the installation, and it is recommended. So hit next. So it is checking for the updates. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes. So once it is done, I will be back. Now you have license terms and condition. You have to accept it, and we are going to update our Windows 10 to Windows 11 by keeping all the files and settings as it is. If you want to change, if you want to select any other option, so you can. So we are going to update our Windows 10 to Windows 11. Hit next. So it will take little time, 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to stop this video. Once it is done, I will be back. So now it is ready to install Windows 11 Enterprise, because my Windows 10 has a license of Enterprise. So That is the reason I am getting here install Windows 11 Enterprise. In your case, maybe you are using Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Professional, so you will get according to that. Keep files and settings and apps as it is, so all is good. Now we have to install it. Once you click onto the installation will be started instantly. It will take around 30 to 45 minutes. Once it is done, I will be back. Don't confuse with installing Windows Server. So after the installation you will get Windows 11. So once it is done, I will be back. So our Windows 10 has been successfully updated to Windows 11 25H2. You can see that all the apps and data are as it is. And let me show you license. So you can see that all is good and it is working absolutely perfect. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe and forward to your family and friends and hit the bell icon as well. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.